everyone, myself Khushi Sanjay Bansuri and I am from Zeal Institute of Polytechnic Nirhay Pune. Today my topic is rainwater harvesting. This project was guided by Mr. Prashant Zadar. What is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of rain rather than allowing it to run off. Importance of rainwater harvesting. The importance of rainwater harvesting lies in the fact that water can be stored for future use. Just as it can be used directly, so also the stored water can be utilized to revitalize the ground level water and improve its quality. Applications of rainwater harvesting are: first, in agriculture. In regards to agriculture, rainwater harvesting in urban areas reduces the impact of runoff and flooding. The combination of urban green rooftops with rainwater catchments have been found to reduce building temperatures by more than 1.3 degrees Celsius. Rainwater harvesting can be also proven useful in storing water for agricultural purpose. Second, domestic use. About 40% of Thailand's rural population utilizes rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting was promoted heavily by the government in 1950s. In the 1990s, after government funding for the collection tanks ran out, the private sector stepped in and provided several million tanks to private households, many of which continue to be used today. Rainwater harvesting is mandatory for homes built in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Third application is in industry. Frankfurt Airport has the biggest rainwater harvesting system in Germany. The system helps save approximately 1 million cubic meters of water per year. The cost of the system was $63,000 US in 1993. The storage capacity of these tanks was 100 cubic meter. Methods of rainwater harvesting are: first, surface runoff water harvesting. Under this method, the rainwater which flows or runs off in the urban areas is collected and stored to recharge the groundwater level or the aquifer bed. This is done instead of letting the water flow into the drains. Second, rooftop rainwater harvesting. In the rooftop rainwater harvesting, the rainwater is directly collected from the roof and all the surface of the buildings and transported into storage tanks or artificial aquifer. There are various advantages of rainwater harvesting. Firstly, rainwater harvesting to recharge the groundwater level is better for the environment and the planet. It helps you and lowering your utility bills by collecting and harvesting rainwater and storing it in the tanks by reducing dependency on municipal water supply. It will ensure the availability of water whenever you need it, regardless of any adverse situations like supply cut-off or shortage of water. Rainwater has been the source of growth for the environment and ecosystem for millions of years. Therefore, it is better for gardening as well as it is relatively pure and free from toxin. It can also prevent erosion of soil. Rainwater harvesting in India. Tamil Nadu was the first state to make rainwater harvesting compulsory for every building to avoid groundwater depletion. The project was launched in 2001 and has been implemented in all rural areas of Tamil Nadu. Chennai had a 50% rise in water level in 5 years, and the water quality significantly has improved. In Rajasthan, the rainwater harvesting method was practiced from very olden times. In Pune and Mumbai, the rainwater harvesting is compulsory for new buildings and newly registered societies. This is a sketch representing rainwater harvesting. Thank you.